Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to this ParrotOS machine from this Windows 10 PC, and we'll be using SSH, which is a secure method for remote connections. Now on the ParrotOS device, we just need to make sure that SSH is enabled and running, and then on the Windows 10 device, we can use either the command prompt or PowerShell to do SSH connection using the inbuilt SSH. We can also use tools such as PuTTY that allows us to customize the connections. So let's go ahead and check the status of SSH here. The command to check whether SSH services are running is system ctl status SSH. So in our case here, we see that it's inactive and disabled as well. Now let's go ahead and enable it. We'll do sudo system ctl enable SSH, put in our password, and let's rerun the command system ctl status SSH. So right now it's enabled, but still inactive, so we have to start the services. Just repeat the command and change this to start. And it's asking for the password again. Okay, I'm gonna clear this and I'm gonna check the status again. Status SSH. Now we have it showing us active and running. Once you verify that your SSH is running, the other thing we need on this ParrotOS device is the IP address. We'll need this to do the SSH connection. We also need a username and a password. Now to check the IP address, we can use the command IP address. The IP address we have here is 172.16.1.108. That's the IP address assigned to this ParrotOS device. Now that we have all that information, we can go to the Windows 10 device. Here, like I said, you can use the command prompt, you can use PowerShell. I'll use the command prompt here. Type in cmd or command prompt. Once you have the command prompt open, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the ParrotOS device is reachable. You can use ping, then the IP address, which was 172.16.1.108, and we're able to reach it via ping. Now the command to do SSH connection is SSH, then the username at the IP address 172.16.1.108. Yes, put in the password for that username, and we are connected. I can do W, and this is the connection here because it shows the source IP address that we are connecting from. Okay, the second way that you can use SSH is by using an app, like I said, like PuTTY, which you can download. If I open my browser and search for PuTTY download, you can go to putty.org, click on download PuTTY, and then just download for your Windows PC. Okay, you can go to your downloads folder once the download is complete, and you should have the file there. I already have PuTTY installed. To install it, just double click on the file and then follow the prompt to install it. So I'm not going to install it. Say, since I already have it installed, I'm going to cancel this. Go delete this as well. So this is PuTTY right here. Just open it once installed, and here you have the option to put in your IP address, so which was 172.16.1.108, and port 22 for SSH. And like I said, you can customize the appearance, the color, background colors. You can customize the font, you can save the sessions, and so on. Once you have everything input, you can go ahead and click open here, accept, type in your username, then type in the password, and you're connected. And that's the connection. So that's all for this video. That's how we can use SSH to connect to ParrotOS from a Windows 10 PC. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.